Hey there folks, I'm Mike and welcome back to Sawgrass Delta. Today, down here where I saw all them antlions, and I'm going to show you at least what they've been eating on, is there's these massive ant hills all over the place. So what we've got are, well, the perfect storm of conditions for the ants, combined with the conditions for the antlions. So we're going to go look at the antlion nest again, and then we're going to see if we can find some adult antlions. Alright, so what we have here is the home of all the antlion nests, and you can see from out here they still got some, the ants are still all the way up to the edge of this. I'll go inside here and we'll show you a few of them. Oh, and see if we can't get one to spit some sand out. Now it's kind of a cooler day. Well, still pretty warm, but the clouds keep coming out occasionally and cooling it off a little. Nice breeze. Well, we might be able to see some adult antlions, which those were the babies that made all those little nests in there. And the adults are going to look like little brown dragonflies with a kind of a fat body, but long like a dragonfly still. I don't know. When I first saw one, I would have called them a mayfly, as they're kind of similar but not the same. Alright, well, that's the end of our trip today. I'm afraid we didn't find any adult antlions, but I still had a lovely day at the park. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.